Ooh, I'm getting good.
Oh, this is sticky. It's gonna stick to it.
What is Mitzi attempting to do?
Attempting to do chilaquiles.
Whoa.
If you're a college student that's away from home, you have no one to teach you how to cook, but follow How to Cook Mexican channel. It's super easy, step by step, and tells you exactly what you need to buy. This is the first time Eric's trying them, first time my family's trying them. So we'll see how that goes.
I heard they're amazing, so I'm very, very excited. I've been requesting these since like my birthday.
¿Estamos listos? Chaperone.
De chaperona del año.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. ¡Feliz año nuevo! ¡Feliz año nuevo, iglesia! ¡Feliz año nuevo para todos! Un abrazo a su familia.
Can you pause the game?
Pause the game? Yes! Pause the game!
Pause the game!
Pause the game! Pause the game! Pause the game!
My cousins have a problem.
Hey, what if we go in a line and then just go across and do like a little dance? Maybe. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go dance. Let's go here. Come on.
That's really hard.
Pause the game. Pause the game. Woo! Pause the game. Pause the game.
Whoa! Are you shook?
I'm very emotional. I'm very shocked about what Heidi just did.
DJ Cristiano.
Una. Dos se puede.
I'm gonna get it once.
No, éramos
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh, who won? You won?
I did.
Hey, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel great.
Hey, what happened to your fresh cut?
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, what happened, bro? Last vlog, it was fresh.
It's gone. I'm gonna get a new one.
Alright, for sure, for sure.
Yeah.
What is that?
They're stockings. Like you put them on your forehead like this. I don't need that. That was just a demonstration. You need to really be out there to do this game. So the point of the game is that you're going to start here and try to knock them down as fast as you can versus a person that's going to go against you. So that they're sí sabe, ya usado.
¿Qué voy a hacer?
Knock these down, let's go. Okay, 26 segundos. ¿Quién más? Otro.
Definitely not trying to make
Oh, it's too long. Swing it. Swing it. You're supposed to walk.
I think it's easier to drag it.
23 segundos. Déjalo, Josué. A ver, una persona más.
Ese juego lo vi por internet.
A ver, una. ¡Se puede!
Go, Mitzi! What was life? focus.
MERIK is ready for you 2018. Where's Eric? MERIK is ready for you.
MERIK is ready. MERIK is about to score a goal.
Super whack. Super whack. Hey guys, so this is my cousin Isaac. He is a paramedic.
You can say that.
Yeah, you can say that. And so today he worked the New Year's. And you want to tell us any stories from today?
It's just been crazy out there. A lot of flu patients, a lot of patients that just go to the ER to celebrate their New Year's there with the ER family. I know. It's been crazy. A lot of drunk people, so don't drink and drive.
Of course.
Really bad accidents. It's really gnarly stuff. I don't want to talk about it. But we have to. We actually just got a call right now, so we have to go. But I feel glad to drop in right here with the fam and kick it for a while and receive the New Year with them. It's pretty cool with my partners here.
Partners there.
Enjoying some good pozole. We haven't eaten it the whole day, so
Yeah. That's awesome. Well,
kind of hits the spot.
thank you for stopping by, and we appreciate your presence and
Your mustache.
your mustache.
Peace.
Heidi! I already burned my thumb!
Oh, let me try it.
Be careful, Heidi. Not again.
I'm not that savage. Oh! It's so...
Hey.
Oh no! Happy New Year,
Hey, Janet, do something cool with it.
Okay, hold on.
Just get it close to the camera.
Wait, it's gonna burn my finger.
It's a couple. Hey, you look pretty epic. You look,
I was here first.
Well, it's about to be super late. Everybody keep it there.
I'll get it. Okay, one at a time.
I was here
And I'm gonna do you in the background.
Oh, this is regular
Así bien epic.
My other lighter works.
You see? Eventually works.
I already burned
Ahí en las rocas, niños.
Not me. Okay. Cheese. 2018 Barrett. Woo!
It looks really cool, guys.
Yes, it does.
Chemistry.
Oh, yeah. Is this the new MERIK mixtape?
Huh?
New MERIK mixtape? Chemistry?
morning, everyone. So today, it's January 1st, and my family and we're gonna make slime. So my cousins are gonna show you how to make slime. Let's go.
Yeah, how long have you been doing this?
Technically, you're the one that actually, for a long time. Like, slime is already going down in popularity, but I'm still obsessed with it.
Wow. OG Slammer. Ooh.
I know.
She likes the challenge.
I got on my skirt and it doesn't come off. Technical difficulty.
Oh,
your hair gets cut.
Slime could also be messy.
So what is happening right now? Is this washable?
No. Okay, you put conditioner on it, scrape it off, and then rinse it, and then it's gone.
So Jenny just got slime on her hair.
Okay, so then we're gonna
And on her skirt, even though we told him multiple times that it wouldn't come off.
You wanna learn how to make slime, Jeremy?
Guess about 2 teaspoons.
Whoa.
Come sit right here, Jeremy. Wanna play with her?
Yeah, that's
So you're gonna put 2 cups of water.
Actually, this looks like toothpaste, bro. Okay, 2 cups of water. Ooh. And I'll get them started with glitter.
These are all secrets from the experts. I like this.
Take the baby powder and just dash in a pretty good amount.
Like how many?
And then
Just like 2, as many as you want.
ooh, look at this. Just like squeeze it 2 times.
You do hard.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I didn't know the world of slimes.
There's glow in the dark side.
And then, do you guys want to make it smell like anything?
Yes.
Just shake it and then. That should be good. Do you guys want to make it red, yellow, blue, green?
Red?
The colors?
Yeah, we'll make it red.
Red.
Just
It looks like we're trying to mix.
Se ve como fresas con leche.
You should have done.
and you're gonna add
Activate.
that.
Wait, what does it do?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So the secret to activation is Tide.
Or just any detergent.
Any detergent.
To activate.
Activation.
Begin.
Okay, add a little at a time. It could turn really bubbly.
So this activation takes quite a while, quite a bit of effort and
Yeah.
dedication.
And then you're gonna have to get your hands dirty.
No. It's done?
Activation for Heidi.
And then when we got it?
So you're activating.
Getting clumpy.
Ours is done activating.
So after activating this,
This is the.
she needs help. Those look like lips. That's cool. Wow. Pretty cool.
Guys,
Yes, honey.
guys, is this supposed to happen?
Yes.
It is?
It's slime.
This smell, guys. When you.
Ooh, I'm getting good.
It's gonna stick to it.
So where are we?
Hi guys, we are at Park with Ball League in San Diego, and we came out to bowl with my cousins because Eric has been wanting to have a little bowling competition with my cousins because I told him that they were really good. And
Competition. How's the competition, Eric?
Yeah, it's, you know, they got the home court advantage and I'm not doing so good right now. But I invite you to Merced for him. No, but for real, he's doing really good right now. He's probably might be his record, so I've heard of it.
Okay. Hold on. Let's check it out.
You're just talking about how good you were and you missed it.
I know, this guy was on me.
Where'd you miss that shot?
I missed it on purpose.
Okay.
Jacob distracted him.
Oh, okay.
So I'm really happy for Abraham. But
Who are you?
Yes, again, pass.
Who are you related to Mitzi?
I'm related to Mitzi.
She's a woman of prayer. And he has lots of plans.
What's up, guys? We're here on New Year's Day and we're hanging out with the fam. Today we are bowling here in Parkway Plaza in San Diego, California. You should check it out.
last words?
I hate this game.
What? Oh, you did pretty good.
I came in third place.
Not bad. Second place was only
I
5
came
points
in
away.
third place in the lower level.
Well, I didn't perform as normal either. I got second place. That's not me, but
We're gonna go back to my grandma's house, back with my whole family, and we'll walk over there and see what's up.
I like the spoon better.
So we have family, a lot of family today.
Can we show the family? Can we show the family? Saluden, familia.
We're serving ice cream to the community. Eric bought 112 pounds.
Ahorita andamos aquí con la familia, pues. Yeah, we're getting this fire ready. It's pretty lit.
Aren't you closer to the fire now?
It's been a pretty good day so far. Yeah. The moon is out. It's looking beautiful as ever. And yeah, just having a good time.
So Eric's leaving back to Merced, so peace out until the 16th.
Bye.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Manage drink.
Happy New Year's, guys.
New Year's.
From MERIK.
Cheers.
Bye, Eric. Alright, bye.
Yo te extrañaré, tenlo por seguro. Fueron tantos bellos y malos momentos que vivimos juntos. Los detalles, las pequeñas cosas, lo que parecía no importante, son las que más